In the complex dance of project management, keeping track of time is more than just a ticking clock. It's a critical component of budgeting, resource allocation, client billing, and performance analysis. Without accurate time tracking, project estimates become guesswork, profitability can erode, and team workload can become imbalanced. This brings us to a common and important question for users considering or already using ClickUp. Does ClickUp have time tracking? As a project management expert, I can unequivocally state that yes, ClickUp has robust, built-in time tracking capabilities. This isn't an afterthought or a feature solely reliant on third-party integrations, though those are also an option. ClickUp offers native tools designed to help teams and individuals meticulously record the time spent on tasks, providing invaluable data for project success. Why time tracking is indispensable in project management. Before diving into ClickUp specifics, let's quickly underscore why time tracking is so vital for any project. Accurate estimates and planning. Historical time data from similar tasks helps project managers create more realistic and accurate estimates for future projects. This leads to better planning and less scope creep. Budget control and profitability. For service-based businesses, tracking billable hours is essential for accurate invoicing and ensuring projects remain profitable. Even for internal projects, understanding time investment helps control costs. Resource management. Time tracking reveals who is working on what, how long tasks are taking, and if anyone is over or underutilized. This allows for better workload distribution and prevents burnout. Performance analysis. It provides insights into individual and team productivity, highlighting areas where processes can be optimized or where additional training might be needed. Client transparency. For client-facing projects, detailed time logs offer transparency, building trust and justifying invoices. Identifying bottlenecks. If a particular task or phase consistently takes longer than expected, time tracking data can help identify bottlenecks in your workflow. ClickUp's native time tracking capabilities. ClickUp integrates time tracking directly into its core functionality, making it a seamless part of your daily workflow. Here's how it works and what it offers. Enabling time tracking. Like many advanced features in ClickUp, time tracking is managed through ClickApps. A workspace owner or admin simply needs to enable the time tracking ClickApp for the relevant spaces or the entire workspace. This makes the time tracking functionality available across tasks. Multiple ways to track time. ClickUp understands that different people work in different ways. It offers flexibility in how time is recorded. Start/stop timer. This is the most common method. Within any task, you'll find a timer button. Simply click Start when you begin working on a task and Stop when you're done. This provides real-time, accurate tracking down to the second. You can pause and resume the timer as needed, and even switch between tasks with an active timer. Manual entry. For times when you forget to start the timer, or if you prefer to log your hours at the end of a day or week, ClickUp allows you to manually add time entries. You can specify the duration, a start and end time, or just the total hours/minutes spent on a task. This is also useful for logging time spent offline or away from the computer. Chrome extension. ClickUp offers a handy Chrome browser extension that allows you to start and stop timers directly from your browser, even when you're not in the ClickUp tab. This is great for tracking time while working on external websites or applications. Mobile app. Time tracking is fully functional on ClickUp's mobile applications, iOS and Android, allowing you to log time on the go. Task-specific tracking. Every time entry in ClickUp is directly linked to a specific task. This ensures that all time is accounted for and provides granular data on how much time is being spent on each individual piece of work. You can also add notes and labels to each time entry for additional context, e.g., research, client call, design review. Billable versus non-billable time. For agencies, freelancers, or any business that bills clients based on time, ClickUp allows you to easily mark time entries as billable or non-billable. This is crucial for accurate invoicing and understanding project profitability. Time estimates. Beyond just tracking actual time, ClickUp enables you to set time estimates for tasks. This is a powerful feature for planning and comparing actual time spent against your initial projections. This data is invaluable for refining future estimates and identifying areas where tasks consistently run over budget. Timesheets. ClickUp provides dedicated timesheets, where you can view all tracked time entries across your workspace, grouped by day, week, month, or a custom range. This offers a comprehensive overview of hours worked by individuals or teams, helping with payroll, project reporting, and workload management. Permissions can be set to control who can view and approve timesheets. Reporting and dashboards. The true value of time tracking data lies in its analysis. ClickUp allows you to create custom dashboards and use various widgets to visualize your time tracking data. You can generate reports on total time tracked by user, task, project, or space, comparison of estimated versus actual time, billable versus non-billable hours breakdown, workload capacity and utilization. These reports are essential for making informed decisions about project health, resource allocation, and team efficiency. Considerations for all users. While ClickUp's native time tracking is robust, there are a few points to note. Feature availability by plan. While basic time tracking, creating, editing, deleting entries, is available across all plans, including free forever, some advanced features like extensive usage of descriptions, labels, marking as billable, or tracking time not associated with a specific task may have usage limits on lower-tier plans, e.g., 100 uses on the free forever and unlimited plans, and become unlimited on business plan and higher. Timesheet approvals also typically require higher plans. No native invoicing. While ClickUp tracks billable time, it does not have a built-in invoicing module. For generating and sending invoices, you would typically integrate ClickUp with a dedicated accounting or invoicing software. Many popular ones integrate seamlessly. Integrations. If your team already uses a specific external time tracking tool like Toggle, Harvest, or EverHour, ClickUp offers integrations to sync that data directly into your tasks. This provides flexibility for teams with established external workflows.